We do everything from electrical to underground, so somebody from those divisions always needs some kind of ancillary materials. For underground, we do a lot of road plates and support structures, and then the electricians, they're in here doing work. We're building brackets for them. As Grunau Metals is an entity of Grunau, Grunau's got the mechanical and the service work that we're involved with, and then we have our own customers. So we have a pretty big array of things that we've done, all the way from a little tiny piece of plate that some guy off the street needs to rocket gantries. We built a thrust structure. We work with NASA. It's all the way across the board.
One of the things we push towards is high technology in our shop fabrication equipment.
So we have the laser table, which is the Vertec. We have the pipe processor, which is the Dragon. The press brake. We've got two big layout tables, which we focus on as assets as well. The large grain layout table, 10 foot by 20 foot. And then a 10 foot by 25 or 30 foot layout table for stringers. The burn table is a messer table, and then the Python.
It's a production machine that does thermal processing of linear material through a file that's imported to it. It'll cut and process everything out with a robotic thermal cutting arm, beams and channels and angles and square rectangular tubing. Currently we have 3 full-time project managers on the staff, and in their role they provide everything from the job setup in the beginning to scheduling with the customer to all the interaction with the customer. They do all their own material procurement and are the direct face of Grunau Metals with our customer. They see the job from cradle to grave. The interaction and the communication with the customer is highly important. Being able to understand what their requirements are, what their needs are, the scheduling aspect of the project, where we have to be, when we have to be, it's all based on that communication with the owner or the customer, and they're integral to that.